Hello there and welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Anuradha and I am back with the cutoff analysis for the AFCAT 1 2021 examination. So AFCAT 1 2021 examination is over and I hope that all of you who have taken this exam has fared quite well in your exam, in your AFCAT 1 2021 exam. So many of the learners and subscribers who have been with our course, who have subscribed to our AFCAT course, they have really performed well. Many of them has messaged us and thanked us for giving them all the content, lectures and the study materials that have really helped them to get all the expected questions in their AFCAT 1 2021 examination. Right, so we at SSB Crack Exams are always at your disposal. So what we provide at SSB Crack Exams, let me tell you that very briefly. We are the India's #1 popular portal for the defense exams, for the defense aspirants, and we provide video lectures, mock tests, updated syllabus, offline access of the lectures and study materials, rank-wise analysis of each student who are taking the mock tests, study notes, study plans, live classes, and much more. So if you are planning to take the AFCAT 2 2021 exam and AFCAT 1 and 2 2022 exams, then we are at your help. You can obviously log on to our website ssbcrackexams.com or simply download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and then subscribe to our most powerful AFCAT course, where we have covered the entire syllabus of AFCAT with the full content lectures, study materials, quizzes, sample practice Q&A, previous year's Q&A, practice exercises, mock tests, and much more. So hurry up, subscribe to our AFCAT course and you can get all the number of expected questions that we have already discussed with our learners and subscribers, and it will really be helpful for you. It will really be helpful for you because you'll score the highest and more than 220 to 240 marks in the AFCAT examination. You can also take our AFCAT mock test series, which have been exclusively designed by our top-notch tutors, keeping in mind all the recent trends of the exam and the recent difficulty level of the questions that have been coming in the AFCAT examination. While you are subscribing, also do not forget to use our code WARRIOR10 to get an extra 10% off on all our courses, right? So talking about the AFCAT 1 2021 cutoff analysis, I want to show you the previous year's cutoff. Now, in the previous years also, we have been quite exact at our prediction of the cutoff analysis that we have been doing for the various AFCAT examinations at various times. So I will start basically with AFCAT 2 2020. It was 155 in AFCAT and the cutoff for EKT was 40. AFCAT 1 2020, the cutoff was 153 and EKT was 40. AFCAT 2 2019, the cutoff was 142 in AFCAT and 50 in EKT. In AFCAT 1 2019, 133 was the cutoff in AFCAT and 50 in EKT. In AFCAT 2 2018, 140 was cutoff in AFCAT and 55 in EKT. And in AFCAT 1 2018, 155 was the cutoff in AFCAT and 60 in EKT. Also in AFCAT 2 2017, it was 160, which was the cutoff for AFCAT, and 60 was the cutoff for EKT. For AFCAT 1 2017, AFCAT cutoff was 150 and EKT cutoff was 60. AFCAT 2 2016, AFCAT cutoff was 148, EKT cutoff was 60. For AFCAT 1 2016, AFCAT cutoff was 132 and EKT cutoff was 52. For AFCAT 2 2015, the AFCAT cutoff was 144, the EKT cutoff was 52, and for AFCAT 1 2015, the AFCAT cutoff was 126 and EKT cutoff was 55. So for all these years, if you can visit our blog, you see that we have been predicting the exact cutoff for all these examinations. So for this time also, for AFCAT 1 2021 also, we are giving you the expected cutoff marks, and there's a high chance that it will be the same cutoff when it will be formally published by the Indian Air Force. Right, so for AFCAT 1 2021 exam, the cutoff marks we are predicting to be between 155 to 150 to 155. This is as per the questions and the difficulty level of the questions which have come in all the 3 days of the AFCAT 1 2021 exam. So judging on the number of questions and the difficulty level and how many students have tried answering them correctly, the AFCAT 1 2021 cutoff marks will vary between 150 to 155. Or for EKT 1 2021, we have many students who have contacted us, who have been in touch with us, and we have also seen the paper for EKT 1 2021. The cutoff marks we are predicting to be between 40 to 50, right, for this particular paper. So if you also want to get the similar expected questions, and it will be quite easier for you because you will be prepared from beforehand like many of our learners and subscribers have been, then please subscribe our AFCAT course by visiting our website or simply downloading our mobile app from the Google Play Store. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our social media platforms like YouTube channels, Instagram page, and joining our Telegram group as well. So you'll get all the exam updates and notifications as well. So I will see you next with all the answer keys and everything, the exam analysis of AFCAT 1 2021. So keep a check on all the analysis and the answer keys for this particular exam. Till then, I will see you next with something more interesting and helpful for your exam. You need to stay motivated, stay confident, and always work hard. Jai Hind.